The OSCHF 5-tier bookcase is a stylish and modern addition to any home or office, featuring a sleek, warm white finish that complements various decor styles. Crafted with a solid wood frame and 1.6 centimeter thick MDF board, this bookshelf is remarkably sturdy and durable, capable of holding at least 80 pounds per shelf. The thoughtful design includes side panels with 4.73-inch high lips to keep books neat and upright, while rounded corners ensure safety for your family. This versatile shelving unit can serve multiple purposes, from displaying crafts and decorations in the living room to storing books in the study or holding potted plants on the balcony. Made with eco-friendly materials, the bookcase features solid beech wood legs and a melamine finish that is both anti-scratch and easy to clean. Assembly is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to set up the entire unit in just 15 minutes by simply attaching the layers and securing them with the solid wood legs.